How to control anger. Everyone feels angry sometimes. It's a normal emotion, but how we handle it is very important. If we don't control our anger, it can hurt others and ourselves. The first step is to pause and breathe. When you feel anger rising, stop and take a deep breath. Count to 10 slowly. This helps calm your mind. Next, try to understand the reason behind your anger. Ask yourself, why am I angry? Sometimes we are just tired, hungry, or stressed. Talk calmly when you are ready. Use words to express your feelings instead of shouting. You can also walk away for a while to cool down. Remember, controlling anger is a sign of strength, not weakness. The more you practice, the better you'll become at staying calm.